Hello students and welcome to lesson 1.13.3. You've made it. This is the 13th week, which means this is the end of quarter one of the first year with of English lessons with Maestro Sersea. So you are finishing quarter one today, and here is what the lesson 1.13.3 says. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin Dialogue 7 through 9 from our English course, American English Conversation 2. Designed for beginners, these dialogues help English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You're encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comment section below. So the first step is to read these dialogues in English. Then you translate them in your primary language, and you read them in your primary language. So let's read the dialogues together. Dialogue 7, ordering breakfast. Would you like to order now? Yes, I'd like bacon and eggs with buttered toast. No jelly. What would you like to drink? Do you have hot chocolate? Yes, we do. Then I'll have a cup of hot chocolate. How do you want your eggs? Over easy, please. The next dialogue is dialogue 8, near accident. How about that? What? What happened? Did you see what that guy did? No, I was looking the other way. He made a U-turn right in the middle of the block and almost hit a kid on a bicycle. Drivers get crazier every day. Right, nobody wants to drive by the rules anymore. So that was dialogue 8. Dialogue 9, arrival time. What time does Mother's plane get in? I'm not sure, but I think at 2:35. I'll call the airline to make sure. Why don't you do that while I change my clothes? Do you think Dick or Brenda will want to go? I don't know. I guess we could call them. I know Dick has to work, but maybe Brenda can go. Okay, call her first, then the airlines. So now that you've read this in English, if you want to understand them better, these dialogues, you can translate. Let's say we translate in Spanish. And notice everything is instantly translated in Spanish. Okay, and then we go back to English. We click on the American flag. Part 2, directions. Watch, read along, and pronounce with the video a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. So, I strongly encourage you to watch this video 2 or 3 times and pronounce together with the video, because it's going to help you improve your comprehension, your understanding, but also your pronunciation, so people can understand you when you speak with them. So this is important. The third part, because now is the end of quarter one, we have to take a test. So here it is. Take the year 1, quarter 1 American English Reading Review test below. When you finish, let us know your score in the comment section below. So you go here, you click Start. You put your name, I'm putting mine there, and you click Next. So you answer the question. Identify the title for this dialogue. Hello, how are you? Fine, thank you. How are you? Fine, thanks. Oh, excuse me, here's my bus. Goodbye, goodbye. So what do we put here? Do we put formal greetings and farewells? Do we put informal greetings and farewells? or do we put formal introductions? Okay, so this is not an introduction, so it's between formal greeting and informal greeting. Okay, so let's say it's formal greeting, so we just click on it. Okay, and the same with the other questions. You read the text and then you select the answer. Okay, and there are only 15 questions for this exam, so do your best. Now, for those of you who want to get a certificate, we have a bigger exam, and it's called the optional Year 1, Quarter 1 American English Reading Exam. Yes, it has more questions for you to answer, but it also includes a certificate that you can print out and show to your family, your friends, your employer. And the certificate identifies your score and how well you did on this test, and it identifies what you've learned. Okay, so if you want to take this test, you click on either PayPal or debit or credit card. It costs $1, but make sure that you include your full name and your email address when you are asked, so that you can receive the certificate in your email box. Okay, thank you very much. We already had one person who has taken this exam, and I wish you the best. Again, you don't have to take this if you don't want to, but if you do, you will receive a certificate with this exam. So finally, don't forget to write your comment, what you learned, what you did, and put your name, your email, and then post a comment right here. Okay? Thank you very much for working so hard, and please do your best with these exams and do the best you can. Thank you.